Hey guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 Static Blacks. I cooked up a couple pairs actually, all manual. I'll talk about that later in the video. But right now we're gonna be going to Walgreens to pick up all 8 pairs. I'll tell you what I did, my methods of cooking. I'm gonna talk about the sizing of the shoes, and we're gonna talk about whether you should hold or sell them, whether they're gonna go up in the future, whether they're gonna stay the same price they are now, when they're gonna dip, why they're gonna dip. And yeah, so let's just go pick them up. Okay, so I just dropped off the UPS package. Whoever bought that off 4 o'clock, I hope it gets to you in one piece. Now we're gonna go pick up the Yeezys. I've put them all in the bags. And the funny part is, there was actually one more in the locker. Someone else also left theirs at Walgreens FedEx. But okay, so we're just gonna take them home and we'll do the review and unboxing. Okay, so here are the boxes. 8 from Yeezy Supply. All manual, all on one computer. Usually I use 2 computers. I use two MacBooks, and I just did the multiple Chrome users. I have 15 open, and I guess it's all luck because before in the earlier release on the pink 500s, Yeezy 500s, soft visions, I got through like 5 times, but I could only pay 1 time. It just let me pay once, and then the other times payment declined, use a different card. I was using a different card, which is the funny part, but it didn't let me do it. And I don't know, this time I just got really lucky. So let's go ahead and unbox these. Just start from top to bottom. I'm gonna get the smaller boxes because I got 8 pairs. I got 3 size 4s and a size 5. All those pairs, the small pairs I got were the non-reflectives. And then I got 2 size 8s, a 9 and an 11 for the reflectives. So, because I know for those sizes, I should have went for the small size, honestly, but I don't even know why I went for a size 11. Honestly, what I did was I was watching Gunnar Tierno's channel, and he's a size 11, I'm pretty sure, maybe an 11 and a half, but he got a size 11, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna go for a size 11 too. I don't know, I like to watch his streams, he's cool. Honestly, the inspiration for making this video has to be a combination of Gunnar Tierno, Tommy Boy TV. I watch both the videos. I think they're very entertaining. The person who really inspired me to make these videos was and start vlogging, but you know, everything's gonna be based on my channel, is gonna be based on streetwear, mainly sneakers. But someone who inspired me to make these his name is Elliot Choi. He's a vlogger. Some of you probably definitely seen his videos, but I'm rambling. Let's get to unboxing these. So first box, we get a knife. Now we can do this unboxing. $350 V2 black. Okay. This is a reflective pair. So I guess we're looking at the reflective pairs right? So we're gonna go through all of them. So I don't know what order these are gonna be in. It's fine. Alright. So yeah, I've never ever held a pair of reflectives in my hand. I have had black statics, but these boys I've never ever held. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are looking real nice. Look at that. 350 V2 black static. Right there. Size 9. The others are gonna be faster than this. Just it's gonna be a time lapse, but the first and last ones we'll talk about. That is amazing. I'm gonna have B-roll probably happening about the 350 statics, but with the reflective on, because these are amazing. Holy crap. Okay, let's talk about resale. What's gonna happen to the resale of these? Like any shoe, when people start getting their pairs, the price is gonna drop. Now these are going for like around what, 1,500, maybe more, maybe a little more or less. And no one expected them to drop. No one knew they were gonna drop, I believe. And what happened was, I set my alarm for 10 a.m. to wake up to try to buy the non-reflectives because that's all I thought was dropping. But then for some reason, I don't know, I think I saw a post or something that said that most likely it's gonna drop at 10. And I decided to just in case, set an alarm for 7. And that's what I did. I set an alarm for 7 a.m. I woke up, opened Yeezy Supply, nothing was happening. I'm in my school and I refreshed it, nothing happened. But then I refreshed it a minute later and boom, the shoes were live for me. And it says statics were live, and I started going crazy. I opened up all my users, all my tabs, loaded it in, and I think it was about 10 minutes, and then I got through, and that's when I started checking out. And I got 4 pairs of them. So yeah, these are the Yeezy 350 reflective static black. So that's one pair, and I got 3.7 more. Okay, so now we got a base size. Honestly, I don't know why I went for size 4. I could have chose any other small size, but this size is apparently coming out to be less than the other size. I guess it's less sought after. But this is a size 4, very tiny. I can't believe I got all these. Like, it's crazy. I'm very grateful that I got through so many times. And let's talk about holding the shoe. I'm going to hold this shoe. I right now have a bunch of cloud whites. By a bunch I mean 3, and I decided to keep one of those pairs of cloud whites for me. And they're already going up. It's December 4th, they're already going up. They'll probably go up more. By the summer, they'll probably be like, in my opinion, like what, 300, 320, maybe 350 around there. But I'm going to sell them off around Christmas time because I need that money to hold on to some of these pairs. I'm not hold on to all these pairs, but I need it to give me funds for this. I am going to college. College in New York City, and I have a part-time job, barely get any financial aid. It's gonna be hard. So I wanted to find another way to make money, and so I started reselling. I just started reselling this year, and people who inspire me to resell, honestly, it's probably gonna be Tommy Boy TV, Harlem Reseller, Gunner Tierno, definitely. I resell on eBay. I resell a lot of shoes on eBay. But I use StockX a bit, but I love GOAT. GOAT is the GOAT. And I honestly have made a couple $1,000 reselling. So, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel showing people how this is done. And I just want to have fun with this. So sorry, this is my first video. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I'm looking at myself. Talk about resale. In my opinion, I think you should hold the shoe. Thousands of pairs are being sold a day for these right now. Christmas season coming up. Thousands of people are gonna buy shoes. Thousands of people. Rich parents, rich grandparents. Oh, what is that? He wore some Yeezys? Yeah, that's right. He wanted Yeezys for Christmas. Boom. He's gonna get these kids, these rich parents, these rich grandpas and grandmas are gonna buy their kids Yeezys for Christmas. Hold your pairs. Let all of them buy the pairs. The prices will rise. Sell your pairs around Christmas. That's my opinion. So everything you got this year around Christmas. I would have kept these if I got myself a pair, but I didn't want to do that. I gotta pay for stuff. And yeah, let's open up another pair of shoes. Yeezy Boost 250 reflective, static black, size 11. Clean shoe. A grail. People are gonna want these forever. They're gonna want this shoe is a grail. People are just gonna want these forever. It's a black shoe, and when there's light, it's a white shoe. Like it's two colors of shoe. It's amazing. Let's open some more. Another size 4. Yeezy Boost reflective, size 8. Size 4. Another one. Size 5. Non-reflective. I love the pull tab on these. That's something I love so much. These look sick. The last one, the last pair. Oh, probably fast forward through all that. I don't know if I left the talking in. Sorry, this is my first video ever. I don't really know how people do this. I don't know. I know what people like, I guess, but let's just open the last pair and final notes. Should be the other size 8 reflective. And surprisingly enough, not a single one of my 8 orders has a smash box. They're all good condition, not a single dent. So the size 8 right there. Maybe this box a little bumped up after. Perfect. For sizing, I'm not gonna try this on, but I do have Cloud 350s. I'm gonna go ahead and I have wide feet. Number one, I have wide feet. So if you don't have wide feet, you can listen to my sizing info. Everyone's sizing is different. Everyone likes the shoes to fit snug or not snug. They want it tight, looser fit. People are different. People like shoes fitting differently. I like my shoes fitting a little snug, but like that's it, just a little, very little. I don't want it to tug my feet. I don't need space. I need a space to move my fingers. If you don't have space to move your fingers, nah, it's bad. I don't like it. So I am a 9.5 true to size. In Jordan 1s, I wear 9.5. I cannot get any bigger, cannot go any smaller. On Yeezys, I go half a size up to a size 10. And even then, it's snug, in my opinion. It's a little snug. I have to wear it for a day, stretches out, prime it. Does stretch out. These are Yeezy 350s. Those have been 8 pairs. The reason I rerouted them to FedEx was because in my neighborhood, I do not trust people. It's so easy to just walk up to the porch and take one of the 8 boxes that are supposed to be laying there on a Wednesday afternoon. So I was not having that. I rerouted them all to FedEx. Super protected. Like over there, it's perfect. You can just ask them, hey, I got a package here. Well, for me, I had 8 packages there. And they just stacked up all the boxes. They needed me to ID them all. I did. I showed them my ID. Boom, no problem. I got out of there. The main reason is because I don't have a doorbell. So I won't be home to know when any packages are there. I live with my parents. They won't be home to see if any packages are there. People will be out, and then maybe someone leaves and it goes missing. So that's why I, in my opinion, decided to move them on to FedEx. I'm getting the ring. I'm gonna try that out. Hopefully with that, I'm gonna have my packages come straight to my house. I won't have to do this rerouting stuff. Because it was honestly a little bit of a workout, taking 8 shoes home at night. So whatever. So I'm gonna have a little b-roll of the shoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. I'm gonna make more content like this, my pickups, and I will be doing live cops. So go for some Supreme, mainly go for Jordans and Yeezys. Yeah. So if you want live cups for those, I will have them up. I don't use a bot. I'm manual. I probably will buy a bot one day. If anything, I'll make a bot. you know, CS major. That's probably one of my goals to do, is probably make a bot. We'll see down the road if that happens, but I'm gonna give you some b-roll, so stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, this is my first video on YouTube. Thanks for watching.